Now, this is called the S&P 100 Index, the OEX. These are the 100 large cap stocks that pay great yields. They make great earnings outside of the U.S. and other emerging markets. They pull in the copper, the money in the copper well. There's lots of good stocks in this right here. What I'm going to point out now, Leo, what did we tie the OEX? This is a sector, but yesterday, what did we tie this to, sir? Here. So, MMTs, can you tell me what we did yesterday on 7-3 that we're going to tie this sector to? What was it that we did yesterday? What goes with this sector?
We have the S&P 100.
Okay.
It's tied up to the OEX.
Okay. And we did some iShares yesterday. Leo, what was that?
The IGM iShares?
The IGM iShares is part of this S&P 100 index. Okay, so we understand that. Now, let's go here to where we had talked about how this was put in the bottom, and we rallied up. We came back, we tested it. We had an extremely 5-day bull rally in that S&P 100 index. And there are great names that hit bottoms, were oversold. When they hit oversold, like Caterpillar was a great one. We were long Caterpillar every single day, trading that thing intraday, were we not? We had other good ones that were in here. Google had made a big move off of the bottoms. Goldman Sachs finally got a move off the bottom. Honeywell, it did okay as well. We had some other stocks in here that we liked. We liked that Monsanto. It too had a great earnings report and had moved higher for a buy and a sell. That OXY, Occidental Petroleum Corp, boy, that one had hit the original bottoms when it was oversold. So we can see what some of the ranges were and some of on Friday, because this is all Friday's ranges. But this is one of the ones that we like right here. There's great stocks for intraday trades right here. Google had a $14.80 move that day. That contributed to it. MasterCard down here had a $16 move that day under the range from the bottom up. And all of the stocks that were short-term oversold is what those big leaders is what pushed the S&P 100 OEX index up. When we called for a short way back over in this area, we got down here where everything made bottoms, and it's all about how they would make the bottom, how this got back above the 200-day simple moving average, and how the breakout occurred. Now, moving forward in the earnings season that starts July 11th, we're going to be having all our eyes on these S&P 100 large cap. The large cap is large cap, and when markets get into a lot of turmoil, a lot of people like to go in there for the dividend yields, and they like to go in there because they have less risk in a lot of those names.